Tonight at Tesla's annual shareholder meeting, a vote that could change the course of the company and potentially launch Elon Musk into an orbit no one else has ever entered. The issue on the table: a compensation proposal for Musk that could be worth up to $1 trillion over the next decade, contingent on Tesla hitting milestones none have ever seen. To unlock the full payout, Musk and Tesla must hit ambitious targets, reaching an $8.5 trillion valuation, ramping up production, releasing mass robotics, dominating full self-driving, and more. But Musk's performance-linked compensation is unimaginable. He will get as many as 423.7 million additional shares of Tesla stock over the next 10 years. This translates to a massive 12.7% stake in the company. Those shares would be worth about $1 trillion, assuming the company reaches the $8.5 trillion market cap needed to have Musk qualify for the full potential payout. Musk currently holds a little more than 15% of the company, making him the richest man in the world. Other big investors include Vanguard, BlackRock, State Street, Geode Capital, Capital World and Norges Bank Investment Management. But not everyone's on board. Norway's sovereign wealth fund, Norges, the seventh largest institutional shareholder in Tesla, has declared it will vote against the package. In a statement, it said the sheer size, dilution and risk are too much. The biggest US public pension fund, the California Public Employees Retirement System or CalPERS, is also opposing the move. On the flip side, Tesla's board and Musk say that this vote is critical. Chair Robin Denholm says if the vote fails, Musk might walk, taking the company's momentum with him. If the proposal is approved, Musk's share could rise from around 15 to 16% today to more than a quarter of Tesla's voting power, giving him unprecedented control. Analysts warn a negative vote could plunge the stock more than 10% amid leadership uncertainty. Meanwhile, markets expect the 54-year-old Musk to get his way. On Wednesday, Tesla shares rose more than 4% against the S&P 500 and Dow, which were up only 0.5%, a hint that market is bracing for something big. For Tesla, the stakes aren't just about one man's payout. It's about how the company positions itself for the future of mobility, robotics, AI, and whether investors believe Musk is the one to lead that charge. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.